To schedule a new session or set up a recurring sauna session, open the Sunlighten app. And tap the schedule icon at the bottom of the home screen. To schedule a new session, select the orange button on the top right to add to schedule. Enter a name for your session. Choose a program. And set your preferred preheat time by adjusting the dial or using the minus and plus buttons. Then, click Continue to proceed. Now, you can set how often you'd like this program to run. If you choose to repeat it daily, weekly, or monthly, an option will appear at the bottom to set an end date. Next, select your desired start date and time. Please note, if you enabled preheat on the previous screen, it will begin at the scheduled start time. Once all selections are made, click Add to Schedule to complete the setup. After scheduling, a success banner will appear in the top right corner, and an orange circle will highlight the date of your scheduled session. To view or make changes, select the date to see all scheduled sessions, then click the pencil icon in the top right of the session you'd like to edit. You can also see any scheduled sessions for the day on my Sauna homepage under today's schedule.